Myself, my name is Nur Arif Talantiningrum, and you can call me Miss Tita. I am an English teacher in SMK Negeri 1 Salam, Magelang Regency. It is in Central Java. It is a good chance to me because I can join an online workshop with TEAUPS International, and title is Enhancing Online Interaction for Learning Management Tools and Language Skill. It is very useful for me, especially for management tools in teaching learning process. Why? Because in first day, I join a quiz. Honestly, I feel confused because using Moodle. I never using Moodle, so it is very hard for me to know what it's it for. But after that, I read the chat from other friends, other English teacher friends, that their school using Moodle for online tests. I remembered that our school have ever used Moodles for simulation in national examination, but it is for computer teacher. For English teacher or mathematics teacher, Indonesian teacher, do not use that Moodle because it is very complicated, I think. So I can conclude that Moodle is a very difficult for me, and then so I decided to study it in another time. And the next I learned about another application, and I'm happy because I use it. So it is not new for us, especially for me. For example, yes, Google Classroom, quizzes, and I'm very happy to announce that I use Google Classroom and quizzes for teaching learning process. From this workshop, it is also make me know that how useful that management tool to make our students improve their skills, such as for reading, writing, speaking maybe, and then another skill. It is very useful for our teaching learning process. In our daily communication, we use Google Teams, so we can meet with another teacher. We can speak up about English material. After I watch the webinar, especially for Mr. Rafi, I can see that English is not difficult, but I have a high motivation to make our students love English very much. Hopefully, English can be familiar for my student. As we know that English teacher is very difficult, and she look like killer teacher. I don't know why. We have big problem in Indonesia because English is not second language, so students feel worried about how to study English better. They think English is very difficult and English is unfamiliar for them. If students try to speak English in the class, another students are loud of him. It is very sad. So from the this webinar, we can conclude that we need process to make English is familiar to students. Hopefully, after this, I can use teaching learning process management tools to make my students love English, because English not only difficult, it is easy to make students love English very much. Hopefully, I can use it, such as using Google Classroom, using YouTube, using quizzes to make they can join a quiz and they can fix the problem about English using quizzes, such as they love to finish their tasks using another application, not only in manual. Thank you. I think I get many knowledge about this workshop, and I can use it for my teaching learning process. Okay, see you. Thank you.